Guys, Paul Diguer in Ottawa. Have a little video here on how to get access to the RCM. Seems that one of our friends is having an issue trying to get at it so that he can get his board resoldered. Very simple process actually. Just keep in mind I'm trying to hold this iPhone at the same time while I'm videotaping this, but let's give it a shot. Okay. So first step, remove your cover. Second step, as you can see here, hopefully you can see, yeah, okay, good. Right in here, this is where the RCM is located. Remove this, just pull it up. Comes right out of its little socket. Now, you see all these little tabs? Okay, all these little guys, you just pop them right off. They all come off one at a time. And when you put them back on, these guys, okay, there's 5 of them. When you put them back on, you can't make a mistake, because this one will only fit in this hole. This one will only fit in this hole. So there's no possibilities of making an error. So, anyways, once you have these guys taken off, simply put a screwdriver or a kitchen knife right in here, and in the back also, and on this side, and just pry it up. Don't go down too deep, because you don't want to touch anything electrical, but just get down there and pry it up. I already done that, so just pull this off like that, and there is the board. Now, right on here, you'll see on this side, okay, if I flip, because I didn't take mine apart here, so you'll see right down there 3 little sets of pins. Whoops, 3 little sets of pins. These are the little culprits. So take it out, bring it up to your bench, get these sets of pins nice and hot. Just put some soldering paste on them to have them clean, and then just reapply your gun. Get them to melt down and apply a little bit more solder, and get them to have a nice fluid, silky smooth finish. That way there you'll know you've reached the proper heat. If they come up a little crusty, you haven't heated them up enough. So that's all it is. Hope that helps, James. Good luck, buddy.